Shrimp stir fry and rice noodle. On medium high, pan fry a dozen shrimp with 1 garlic minced in 1 teaspoon of butter. Cook shrimp 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. Remove from pan. Do not wash pan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter with veggie, 1 medium onion slice, 1 medium carrot slice, 1 1/4 cup of mushroom quartered. Add 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix well. You're going to cook it for 4 minutes. Now if you want to kick it up a notch, you can add red crushed pepper. Give it a nice stir. You're going to go ahead and take it out of the pan and wash the pan. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/2 packet of pre-soaked rice noodle. We're going to cook it with a steam, so we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of water. Make sure you stir this because it has to cook evenly. Keep stirring it until it cooks down to the consistency that you want. If it's still too dry, you can add another teaspoon of water. Add your veggie back into the pan. Make sure to mix it because the noodle is still cooking. Go ahead and add back your shrimp as well. Now you're going to go ahead and make sure everything is combined. Mix it up very well. Go ahead and taste it and see if you want to add any more salt or any more seasoning to your liking. We're going to garnish this with some green onion and cilantro and a slice of lime with some hot pandan tea. Enjoy!